So after doing the ICANN and GLOSS, I definitely see the positives, and then there's some hardships with it. But let me focus on the positives. First, doing it with my students allows me the chance to see where they are. You know, as a teacher, you always want to know, what do you need to work on with those students? And so I was able to see where their strengths were, whether it was addition or subtraction, multiplication, division, how they broke apart numbers, and then maybe their fractional understanding and just understanding with other place value concepts. So I like how the ICANN and GLOSS gives you a lot of information about how they understand numbers. So from there I can see that with my students, so I know that's what they need to work on. So I know when I'm working with them, at least it's purposeful, it's not wasted time. But on the other side, the hard part about ICANN and GLOSS is doing the attachment of the stages. To me as a teacher, I can tell you, based on doing it, what they need. I have a harder time figuring out what stage and description that is, but to me, I think the most important part of it is seeing where your kids are. So if for nothing else, if at that point, it's hard to put it with the stages, but you can make sense of it and how to help your students, that's the purpose of it. And there are lots of resources out there, but the books that they give, once you can put it with the stages, the books make it easier for you to figure out activities, so you're not racking your brain to figure out, what do I do to help the student with place value? So that's been my experience. It's been difficult, but I think at the end, it's worth the time to see what we need to do. If we do that for reading, we should also do that for math.
Well, that's cool.